There are some objectives in making handphone casing. At the end of the video session, learners will be able to protect cell phone from drops and falls. Secondly, customize on cell phone casing. Last but not least, they save money from buying expensive case. Step 1. Prepare materials and identify phone's model. First of all, the materials that are needed to make the cell phone casing are hot glue gun, hot glue stick, nail polish, scissors, tabs, plastic wraps, and a bottle of water. After preparing all the materials, use the selected cell phone. Secondly, wrap the cell phone by using plastic. The next step is use the hot glue gun with hot glue stick to melt the glue at the plastic wrap for shaping model casing. After shaping the case with hot glue, wait for the hot glue to dry within 2 minutes. The fifth step is to remove the casing from the cell phone. Step 6. Refining the casing. Cut off the excess material of the plastic and the glue that have been dried to refine the cell phone casing. Step 7. Fill up water. Fill up 250 ml of plain water into the container. Step 8. Prepare the nail polish solution. Step 8 is about to add some nail polish into a bottle of water to prepare the solution. The solution is used to decorate the casing. Step 9. Put the refined casing into water. After the step 8, put the refined casing into water to allow the nail polish to adhere to the casing. The final step is wait it to dry. Finally, touch up the casing with extra nail polish and wait for the casing to dry within 5 minutes. The innovation of the cell phone casing is done and ready to be used. Repeat the steps above for the other models.